very little variability in what they did in-house at Simpson and what the actual results were at the foundry that they installed the piece of machinery. So the testing prior to purchasing the machine was extensive. And when we finally installed the machine and set it all up, commissioned it, it was amazing that we used the same settings that they did in the lab. And the first tests that we pulled out of the end product were almost dead nuts on to the lab that they did.